The Summarise function in Power BI is used to create summary tables by grouping data and applying aggregate calculations. This is the technical definition, but what does it really mean? It means you can perform SUMIF, COUNTIF, AVERAGEIF type of calculations to create summary tables. Here is a table that I have that contains details of movies made over a period of time. Let's calculate the total budget and average runtime of movies of each language. I'm going to click on New Table. Let's call it Movies Budget and Runtime. Summarize. The first parameter it expects is of course table, based on which table you want to summarize the data. Let's provide the table name as movies. The next column is the group by column. We want to group by the column original language. We can group by multiple columns if we want, but we won't in this example. Now we need to provide the name and expression for the columns we want in the summary table. The first column will be total budget. And the expression will be sum of the column budget. This is similar to the SUMIF function in Excel. The next column is average runtime. And the expression will be average of the column runtime. This is similar to the AVERAGEIF function. Close the bracket. Let's look at the table. The first column is the group by column, and the next two columns are the ones that we have described. That's it. This is how simple the Summarize function really is. I hope you found this useful, and if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel, Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.